ताळगांव वेंचणुकेत बाबूश मोन्सेराताचे पॅनलाचे वांगडी विरोधी उमेदवारांक धमकोवपाचो यत्न करतात असो आरोप विरोधकांनी केला। इतले चेपण आसून लेगीत आमच्या 9 उमेदवारांपैकी 6 उमेदवार आपल्या निर्णयाचेर ठाम रावले देखून तांकां आमचो सलाम। तशेंच ज्या 3 उमेदवारांनी आपलो वेंचणूक उमेदवारी अर्ज फाटी घेतलो तांचेर वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीन दबाव घातलो अशें आप फुडारी सिसील रॉड्रिग्स हाणें सांगलें। जाल्यार ताळगांवांत पंचायत वेंचणूक जिखपाची घोशणा करपी मंत्र्याक प्रचारा खातीर स्वता भोंवडी करपाची गरज कितें अशे प्रश्न तांच्यांनी ह्या वेळार उपरासले।
Also, we are celebrating the withdrawal that happened yesterday of 3 of our candidates, right? We are, so most people, celebrate when they come, when they don't have to contest the election, they don't have to go campaigning. But we, our team, our small Talegaon team of India Alliance is celebrating the win of having 3 candidates who put up their nominations and they withdrew. Why we are celebrating this is because the fact that these 3 candidates put up their nominations showed that there are people who are against the regime in Talegaon. There are people who are not wanting the people who are in power in Talegaon to remain in power in the panchayat, and that needs to be applauded. So we are really happy that those candidates came up, they filed their nominations, and then they were under immense pressure. Okay, finally they buckled under pressure, but just the fact that they actually filed their nominations knowing ki आमी हिंगा या जानवरां बरोबर इलेक्शन लढटा। बाकीच्या गोंयान मनशान भितर इलेक्शनां जाता पूण तालिगांव तशें न्हू, हिंगा मनशान भितर इलेक्शन जायना। आमी मनशान ती जानवरां। कन्क्लुजन हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता पळय, लोक म्हणटात तालिगांव ऑपोजिशन ना, आमी इतलेय पळय आतां हें केलें आतां तुमकां इतलेंच दाखोवंक की आमी सगळे ऑपोजिशन आहा। हांव आहा, भुपेश आहा, सेसिल आहा, विटो आहा, रुई आहा आनी आमचे कितलेच जाण आहा आनी ऑपोजिशन भरपूर आहा।
आमची पॅनल फुडें सरल्या, वी पुट इन ऑल 4 सीट्स आनी वन ऑफ आवर कॅन्डिडेट दॅट इज प्रतिमा हॅज बीन प्रेशरायज्ड, कोर्स्ड टू विथड्रॉ। तुम्ही म्हणटा की बायलांक फुडें सरपाक जाय, तुम्ही म्हणटा की बाबा बायलांक चान्स दिवपाक जाय गव्हर्मेंटान डिसिजन घेवपाक। यू ऑल आर सेइंग दॅट 33% विमेन शूड बी गिवन कॅन्डिडेचर। दिता जाल्यार फेअर इलेक्शन जावन दी न्हू, प्रेशरायज कित्याक करता? कित्याक आमी बायलो जावन आमी काम करता, खूंय कामांक वचो आमी, आमकां इच्छा आहा इलेक्शनाक उबो रावपाक जाल्यार यू शूड गिव अस फ्री विल। प्रेशरायज करपाची गरज कित्याक हा? ना एवरीवन नोज जॉब्स आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. So it is very sad to see that due to this pressure that one of our candidate had to withdraw, and that is ward number 6, Donapal area, educated ward Zaha. So all the educated people already know how much is the present punch member doing work. The punch member now doesn't even reside in that ward. The present elected for the previous term, Miss Estella, she doesn't reside in the ward. She resides in Old Goa, and she didn't want to contest. Montserrat's panel has forced her to contest, and that's what she's going around telling everyone. Amka 10% news miola amka. So when you want somebody like that in this ward who's not even staying in the ward, how you'll do work for the people? And then you're pressurizing our candidate. And tumi walle holding galta women should be empowered monon. That is one of your guarantee. Modi ki guarantee women empowerment. Ee women empowerment mi kotta? You're pressurizing women who want to stand fair fight down, So this is what I'm saying. BJP Sarkar, because the panel that is put up is the Montserrat family panel, and they are just wanting to capture people. They want to win unopposed, and they call this as like a victory. The victory, it is basically cowardness which you all are doing.